Yeah, that thing sounds really, really fucking good. Then I also don't hear the whistling anymore. Like, I can hear the air sound, but I don't hear the whistling. Like, there used to be a whistle. And then you guys can kind of see the headers down there. Oh, yeah. Ooh. And they're actually starting to get some color. But, yeah, like, this thing is definitely getting there. We're gonna figure out that, what do you call it? That, Misfire, and then call it a day, because it really seems like it's gonna be something simple, like, I don't know what, but it's not gonna be anything too crazy.